The Academic Excellence Award 2022 was conferred upon 105 students of various educational institutions within Mawlai constituency at a program that was held today, the 6th of August 2022 at the Mawlai Parish Hall, Mawlai Phudmuri, Shillong. The Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Metbah Lyngdoh, who graced the occasion as chief guest, had presented certificates and cash award to the students who had excelled in the 2022 board exams of the SSLC, HSSLC, ICSE and CBSE. Also present were the MLA of Mawlai, T Sawkmie and his family members, students, members of the KSU, FKJGP, HYC Mawlai Circle, the President of the UDP Mawlai Circle, Kharkongor, the Principal of Christ Church Higher Secondary School, Ms. I Nengnong, and other invitees. Special performances by Banker Kharkongor, students of the Sacred Heart Girls Higher Secondary School, O.M. Roy Higher Secondary School, Christ Church Higher Secondary School, and Phudmuri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School, Mawlai, were also witnessed during the special program.
Yo yang rank bahanrio as a top 10 drunk ambos. Yang lepas ini energia di Karjana iberiyo. Next, Igidian Lamin iberiyo. Next, Iantia Gracia Sun iberiyo.
Addressing the gathering, Metbah Lyngdoh expressed his gratitude to the MLA of Mawlai T Sawkmie, who had invited him to confer the special award upon students of excellence and at the same time encouraged them to keep aiming higher, though there may be challenges along the way. At the same time, he urged upon the gathering to also support the MLA of Mawlai, who has done good for the students and the constituency in general. Metbah Lyngdoh had also expressed concern on the menace of drugs and substance abuse, which has been rampant in the area.
Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. Ibarok Ibaran ask me, you win. Don't play. They have just learned. Itu kita Mawlai poi sa katong. Namar kita di pape. Pindai bandu jangan nak jengim jumpi. Namar pindai ban consider tumba kadang beri jengong. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. Lala jumlah bandon mereka akan kebaru. Nilai you have learned in your life. Haki jumpu diri jumpi. Ikna matasi kibayo yang award. Kiban sayo sibit. Hagawana kaliang MLA jumpi ba proses T Sawkmie. Ilakwat mentagasi nakabanta kata special recognition. Nakabanta student kiba Shillong kiba sa ha Mawlai constituency. Nakaya ni kali banong kawai pat dari recognition nakali nopi kuki student. Yaitu proses nama i-recognize ini. Kadang kam dia kali recognition mark kalian. Lalaki mali kimlei, kimlei kita kan boleh kimlei. Jawab kimlei buat ikut kumlei berarti. Ikut samlaro kadang kam ban recognize ya kali recognition tu yang mali ya biu ikut sama. Kini mentasi kebabinya ya kau kanong keting sarong nganong orang keting sarong kanong keting man. Maka keting sarong is the beginning of failure. The pride